Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I've got a super quick, not so much an unboxing because it's already out of its box, but a show and tell, I guess. So I received a pen, I got a pen from Cateared. I mentioned in my unboxing of their Forever Tips that they also did a pen that came with a multi-placer. So I've only got one. I am terrible. Again, this was from their Amazon store, which meant fabulous next day postage, all those usual Prime benefits. So it's gorgeous for a start. I love the little flecks of glitter in there, the two-tone sort of blue purple. It has the single placer, which is has a single placer the same as the ones that I bought individually, and then on this end we've got, again, still with that Cateared branding, which you probably can't see. I don't know, even if you can kind of see it. This is a two-placer. I don't tend to work with a two-placer, but I am willing to give it a go, and maybe it'll be something that I fall in love with. So this, again, could be removed and put into a different pen if you wanted to. I don't see why you would, but yeah, so they can be altered. Hopefully they will do their other sizes of multi-placers, and then you could switch out for whatever you needed. But yeah, I am excited to give this a go. As I say, don't normally use a two-placer. I tend to favour the 4, but I'm sure that this will still be useful for speeding stuff up. So I am excited, and I already know that I really like this pen shape because it's the same as the pen shape that I already have from them, that I really do enjoy using. So I find that it sits nicely in my hand, more so than some of the bigger, chunkier pens. This is kind of a nice middle ground. Some of the ones that sort of fat in the middle, I find they're a bit unwieldy for me, but it's a personal thing. So yeah, highly recommended. Pricing on the screen now. Again, look out for offers. With it being on Amazon, there's always a chance that you're going to get a little bit of money off. Do check out the rest of their Amazon shop, and also go and follow them on Instagram and Facebook, and then you will be kept up to date with their newest products and offers. So I just wanted to show this today because I was very excited. And then you will again obviously get to see me using this in future videos, so keep an eye out for it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.